Hello students. Today's video we are going to see how to convert the binary number into octal as well as hexadecimal and how to get back the binary number from the octal or hexadecimal number system. Before we start, we have to observe a pattern, okay, and for that I am converting the first 16 numbers, that is from 0 to 15, into binary. Now, I have written 0 to 15. Okay. There are two ways. One is you convert each one manually, or otherwise you can learn one smart method to do this. Okay. So, starting with, I will be putting 4 zeros. Now, you may wonder why I put only 4 zeros. Why not less? Why not more? Why exactly 4? The reason is these numbers are 16 and 2 raised to the power 4 is also 16. Okay. Now, starting from the right hand side, alternatively I will write 0 and 1. So, already first number 0 is written, the next one will be 1, next 0, next 1, next 0, next 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Thereafter, I will write it 2 0 2 1. So, 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 2 0 and 2 ones. 1 2 now 4. So, 4 times 0, next 4 times 1, again 4 zeros, 4 1, 1 2 4, now 8. So, now I will be writing 8 zeros followed by 8 ones. Okay. This table we are going to need very frequently. So, I expect you to memorize all of them. Okay. It is very simple. Otherwise, whenever you are doing the conversion work in one side, you can make this table so that it will be convenient for you. Okay. Now, we are going to study this table. We can see that the octal number system, okay, from 0 to 7 we are having the octal number system. Now, if we look into the binary, we see that only 3 1 2 3, only 3 bits are changing their values from representation of 0 to 7. That means any octal digit can be represented with the help of 3 binary digits, and a 3 binary digit can be represented with a single octal digit. In the same way, if we look for the hexadecimal, then we can see that 4 bits, that is binary digits, will represent 1 hexadecimal digit. Okay. I hope this is clear to all, because this is the principle we are going to use from binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay. So, let us start. Now, let us have a number 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. This number I want to convert into octal. So, what I will do? I will start from the least significant bit side and I will make group of 3 bits. Group number 1, group number 2. Now we can see that here only one single bit is remaining. So what I will do? I will prefix it with 0 so that I can get 3 bits. So this is my third group. Okay. Now I will be observing only in this section, and whatever the value I am getting for each group, that one I am going to write here. So 0 0 1, 0 0 1 is 1, so 1, again 0 0 1 is 1, and 1 1 0, okay, 1 1 0 is 6. That means this is 116 in the octal number system. Okay, is it clear to all? What we have to do, I'll tell again. Whatever the binary number we are having, from the least significant bit side, we are going to make group of 3 bits. If at all there is a shortage, okay, then we can prefix zeros so that we can make it complete triplet. Okay. Now for each triplet, we will look into the table and we will place the corresponding value. Once you have practiced this, it will be very easy for you to remember. In the beginning you may need table, but later on you may not require the table. Okay. Now the same number I am going to convert to hexadecimal. So as we know that for hexadecimal 4 bits are required. So now what I am going to do? I am going to make the group of 4. So this is group number 1, this is group number 2, 0 is extra, removed. Okay. Again these numbers I will represent by A, B, C, D, E and F. So from the table if we see, from the table if we see 0 1 0 0, it is 4, 0 1 0 0. So I will write here 4. Next is 1 1 1 0, 1 1 1 0 I can find in E. So it is 4E. So this is how we convert a binary number to octal and hexadecimal. Now I am going to take an example where I am converting the hexadecimal to binary and octal to binary. Let us say I am having 6325. This number I am having in the octal number system and I want to convert it into binary. So what I will do? 6. So what is the corresponding number of 6? 110. So I will write 110. Corresponding to 3 is 011. Corresponding to 2 is 010. And corresponding to 5 it is 101. So in this way we have converted our octal number into binary with the help of this table. Okay. There is no way we can go from octal to hexadecimal or hexadecimal to octal. The easiest way is you convert the hexadecimal or the octal number into binary and then proceed. Okay. The same number now we are going to convert to hexadecimal. Okay. How? Again we will make a group of 4. So, 1100 is C, 1101 is D, and 0101 is 5. Okay. So, this number is CD5 in hexadecimal. Another example I will take where I will start with a hexadecimal number and I am going to convert it into binary and then finally to octal number system. Now, let us say I am taking ACE, okay, ACE. This is in base 16, I want to convert it into binary. So, A, what is the binary of A? 1010. So, I will write 1010. For C it is 1100, 1100. For E it is 1110. So, this is the binary representation of this number. Okay. Now, we are going to convert it into octal. So, for octal what we are going to do? We are going to make group of 3. So, we are going to make triplets 1, 2, 3, 4. The corresponding values we are going to see in the table. So, 101 is 5, 011 is 3, 001 is 1 and 110 is 6. So, the number is converted into octal. I hope you have understood this conversion. Okay. So, that is all for today. So, if you like my video, then please like and write some comments. The comments they always encourage. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.